Oh hey guys, it's Cole with Schwab's Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going to be doing some fishing on the river. We're going to be doing some smallie fishing and a lot of catfish here today. We got 5 poles out with bells. Me and Drea are over here doing a little smallie fishing. We're going to try to get some fish on land day, so enjoy the ride.
You want to catch it on?
Heavy like this. Yeah. Oh, probably smaller. Smaller part like this. Yeah. It was smaller. Yeah. Woo. Nice one. Nice one. Check her out. Good channel, Cap.
Nice channel.
Sorry for coming on those. So now you have to get them under here so you can get a chance to go in here. Probably about 20, I'd say. There we go.
Was that the wind? Yeah, because it looked like it was that one there, but it was the wind, I think. It's a little more trickier when they bite up there, getting it down.
Yeah, you gotta switch underneath. Well, that's why I'm here. You land it to me, then come around, and I'll get back to you.
Well, I guess we don't have to worry about it. Oh! Okay, we broke off. We got to retie. Here we use a 1 ounce sinker. Look at that. Put that on first. Then you take the hook. Put the hook next.
Just using the polymer knot here.
Yep. Really good and strong. And we got, next we got something here. It's a little split shot, size 7. Put that 8-10 inches up from the hook. Wrap her around once, wrap her around twice. There you go. That way it holds a lot better. We'll pinch her on here, pretty tight. Take this, cut the axis off. There we go. Got that. Take the extra, throw it in the bag, throw in the loose stuff laying around. Got to save those turtles. And there we go. So she gets set up. Like that. Okay, just gonna put a worm on it and cast her over. Big one on. Big shaker.
Snagged Again.
It's probably a sturgeon running into the line. No. Whenever you're ready. One on. Elizabeth, snag. Oh, they both got big ones on. Yep. Oh, I think they got snags. Yeah. Cage, what do you got there?
I think it's called a rock bass. Pretty big.
Couple rock bass. Yep.
Okay, so Drea's trying to jump on this wood. We got the catfish on it. We'll move it somewhere else.
Film the best part.
Yeah, sorry guys. We didn't film it, but she did break it indeed. So we got some good firewood. Hopefully the catfish doesn't run away, but hey, what can you do? But we got it.
Working with what we got so far.
Okay guys, so far we got this buoy we just found in the water, so we netted it. We've got a couple bites, I think 2 or 3, and it's been like 2 hours so far, but we got that one catfish there. Drea is trying to get some more firewood, so hopefully we can find some more firewood and maybe get a few more bites in.
Hopefully we got another one on here. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on.
Drea, watch that bull white line in the boat. Yeah, you're gonna have to grab it. Cage is over there. Okay, go over past it. Yeah, we'll just go back.
A little dancing going on. Go has one. Or Cage has it going. Got her. Oh,
It's a jumper.
it's a jumper. There we go. Got her in the net. There.
Just
Good eater.
about another 20 incher.
Good eater. Woohoo!
Snake.
Okay, Cody's trying to tell them to cast it out. We've been getting a lot of bites on it, but they've been snagging us in a big rock down there. Perfect, right out there. Way to go. Good cast. Okay, we got one on. There we go. Reel it, keep it going. Keep her going. Keep that pull up. You're gonna get tangled with the other one. There, he should be in the good now.
Under one more.
Yeah, try to get her to go down a little more. Yep. Running down there. Hopefully get one pull out of the way. Got the one out of the way. Ooh, nice cat. Really nice one. She'll get it. It'll come in. There we go. Good job. Pulls in the way, but that's all right. Woohoo! Hey, I landed one. Awesome. That was a big cat.
Everything's a picky.
Wow. Big one. Way to go.
Yeah. Good luck to whoever's taking them back.
So I just learned this new trick to start a campfire with no matches. Let me show you. Okay guys, so it's getting darker now, and we're gonna get a fire started. Let's get it. You would. Side two.
You ain't gonna be able to skid them now. Just gonna be able to play them like he's made a big trip.
Okay, so now we just wait for those bigger sticks to get started and then get some bigger logs on them over here. Okay guys, so the fire started and it roared to life, but I'm just gonna go look for some more sticks here now. There's some over here it seems. So I'm gonna grab these real quick and bring them back to the fire over there. Okay guys, the fire is really going now.
4 fish here. We're gonna try to clean these. See how it works on the rock. Get up here. Don't got the very best knife with, but what we got to do here. See how it works. Wow. We'll try a different knife. This one's sharp right now. There we go. There we go. It's hard. I don't think you'll see that. I don't have enough to go through. I don't have to go too far. Didn't bring the fillet knife with. That's dull. There we go. We'll bled them out first. I'm going to bleed the catfish out so this makes the meat so much better. Got the ribs down there. We cut right over them just like you're filleting a regular fish. But then you get up here and you got more ribs. So you got to cut down like this. There we go. Oops, looks like there's some baby fish in there. There we go.
And there
There's
we
one.
go.
Big one,
And
big one.
we're gonna do the other ones behind the scenes and then we're gonna cook them up. Okay guys, I'm gonna wash this fillet off now. There we go, nice and clean. Still got 3 poles in the water right now, but I'm gonna get this net kind of back together. There's a button here I can press to make it shorter and longer, so I'm gonna do that, but these guys are packing up, so we're gonna get everything together and go back to the truck soon. But maybe we can get another fish in the meantime, hopefully. Okay guys, we just put out the fire with some water, so that's good. Okay, everything's ready and packed up, so we're gonna start walking back to the truck now. It's a good distance, way over there, but it's rocks too, so it's gonna be hard. And I got pretty good shoes on, I got some dudes, but we're gonna try. Okay guys, so we got it through the rocks. It's all kind of grass now, but now we're going through the woods part, and then we'll get to concrete, which will be a little better. We got wheels on this thing, so hopefully we can get there. We got about 100 yards left to go, probably. Just through the woods now, and we got onto the concrete, and now we're going over a bridge. So we were way over there. You see those lights? That's where we were. So we walked all the way over here, and the truck is about 50 yards in front of us now. I underestimated the 100 yards. It was more like 200 yards, but yeah. Okay, guys, back at the truck now. Just putting stuff away. Got everything in there, so let's get it. Okay, guys, well, here's the catfish. We got all 4 of them there, and I got some salt here I'm gonna pour in. So let's get it. Just like that. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer and cook it up. Okay, guys, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, but we ended up with 4 solid keepers and 4 fish in total, actually, but that's about it. We had a great time out there. If you liked that video, make sure to check out Schwab's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel, where we have a bunch of videos just like this. And if you want to see our new videos every single weekend, subscribe to get notifications.